Hey guys, I've come into my favorite sustainable Great Ocean Road Wellness on the Surf Coast, and I'm going to show you how you can DIY bath salts for your friends this Christmas. Not only will you save money, but you're being sustainable too. So I've come in with my own reusable jar. It was an old peanut butter jar, and I've brought my Who Gives a Crap toilet paper pre-cut for the lid. I've also got some twine, essential oils, lavender, and I brought out of the shelf rose petals and lavender from the guys here at Grow. So what I'm going to do is I've taken my jar, I've filled it up in the shop with Epsom salts. You can also use magnesium flakes as well if you like. I've filled it up, and you can see here from the bowl I've just dumped it straight in the bowl. I find mixing it in the bowl is a bit better because you get all those petals and the essential oils all the way through the mix. About 4 drops of essential oils. I find they go a long way, especially if you've got good quality oils. From there, I'm then going to take my spoon and I'm going to mix it up. Just making sure it's all the way through. If you find that you haven't got enough petals in there, or you want to add a little bit more colour, by all means you can put some more in. With these bath mixes, you can't really go wrong. The only way you can go wrong is by putting in too many essential oils, so be careful because they are quite strong. And I've just taken an ordinary piece of paper. I've turned it into a funnel, stuck it in the jar, and what I'm going to do is just shake it down the funnel so it easily goes into the jar. Do it over the bowl just in case there's any overflow. You can save that for your own bath salts. Wipe off the top, and then as a nice little touch, I take a crystal, and I've got amethyst and rose quartz here, and I just pop it in the top so when your friend opens the jar, it's a nice little surprise. Pop the lid on. So now that I've got my lid on, I'm going to take my paper from Who Gives a Crap toilet paper, put that on the top, use the elastic band to secure it in place, and then I'm going to take the twine, wrap it around the top, do a nice little bow, and if you want to, you can add other embellishments. I've seen people put crystal bracelets around the top. I've seen people hang rosemary from it, but that is your sustainable bath salts. Another option too while I'm here is if you can't be bothered making your own, or you're simply time poor, you can grab these from Grow today.